This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Omni XG32 is a Class C RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Crevels RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 33 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleep 6, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, oven, TV antenna, microwave, auxiliary battery, external shower, stovetop burner, self-contained, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C RV features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Omni XG32 is built on a Ford F550 chassis and is powered by a Powerstroke engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Crevels RV.